In this class, we are going to look at the quick analysis. So it's very easy to have an idea of how your data is and what kind of relations it's going to have as regards the other data that you have arranged in particular document. So for you to do quick analysis, it will just give you a quick idea about what you want to do, or maybe quick glance about the behavior of your data at a glance, just very quickly. Okay, so to start with, for example, I may want to find out the price of this price and how it varies accordingly. I will just select it. So once you finish the selecting, you highlighted it and you can see this small quick analysis tool, or you can do Control Q. You can just click on it and you see this is formatting. You can see the bars. Okay, so these are the values arranged in bars. You can see color scale. You can see icon set. You can see it the way it's been arranged, greater than top 10. You can just quickly just see the top 10 and you can see, can clear all formats. You can check on tables and you can see the behavior on charts, on bar charts, on even graphs, and just to have an idea. So quickly you can maybe want to have an idea between what's the relation between these three columns. Okay, January, February, and March. What's their relation? So you can select them and just click on this. And you can check the bars. Okay, you can see the quick arrangement. You can see them. You can see the icon set. You can see greater than and less than. You can see the top 10 easily. And you can check on charts and see the relation in bar charts. Okay, you can see them. You can see how they are directly related. Okay, you can see them. And you can come to totals and see the totals if you want. You can see the totals. You can see the counts. You can see the percentage total, the running, and the sums. You can check on and tabulate all of them. You can see the table. You can do blank pivot table if you want, and you can check sparkles also to have an understanding of how the data is really varying. So but I kind of really like the analysis in terms of charts and lines and accordingly. So you have a quick preview of the data, what it is and what you can do about it. Additionally, you can do the same thing using the right click button. Okay, you can see it over here, quick analysis. Once you just click, it's going to give you a quick or brief analysis of your data and how it's going to behave when you kind of plot it later on. So still on the quick analysis, I want to show you a very simple way to kind of analyze your data in a very quick way, also to have an idea of what the data is going to look like and how it's going to be related. So this is called Analyze Data Quickly, which is a tab over here. So all you need to do is to start by selecting a particular section of your data that you want to analyze. For example, I select here and I can come all the way here to say Analyze Data, and it's going to give me an AI solution based on the data that I've selected. It's going to just kind of run a simple result-oriented graph, something like this data. I want to have a quick glance about how it's going to look like. So selecting it, this is the relation. And let's say you can choose which field interests you the most. You can check and see this graph, or this one, or this one, which one actually kind of fit in what you want. You can check according to anything. Okay, you can just check, you can select any part of the content, and you can always come back and click on Analyze, and it's going to analyze for you. If you look at the graph, if you're certain with the graph that you've seen, you can easily click it and select it and add it part of your as part of your graph. So you can see more over here, see all 7 results. You can see the different kind of arrangement in bar charts, in line charts, and you can just say, maybe I like this. You can select it and say Insert Chart, and it's going to be inserted directly into your Excel data. So you can just select it and easily move it to any location of your choice, and you can now customize it and put in the details, the fields, the labels, and the chart title, and so on. So you can always come back. You can always double click and have access to all this, which I will later show you how to customize a given chart, how to plot charts, and how to customize and arrange or put in the different elements of a chart into a given chart. Okay, so this is about quick analysis, just to have a glimpse of an idea of how the data is going to look like, and then we can proceed with the deep analysis much later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.